Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we are going to show you how to view executed actions in the inbox in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. We are going to show you how to see executed actions in the inbox. Amazingly, all you need to do is select the View Executed Actions checkbox and all actions that have been executed for the contact will show up. There you have it. You just learned how to see executed actions in the inbox. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.